Do you know what this is? That was an active continuous glucose monitor. For the rest of us, tracking blood sugar is about wellness. But for the unhoused diabetics on the streets of San Francisco, a massive glucose crash isn't for us just fatigue or brain fog, but for them it could be a life or death situation. Because you see, refined starch diets at standard shelters, they kind of put these individuals at a constant risk of a hypoglycemic shock. For them, that could mean passing out on the sidewalk or ending up in the ER. That's really bad. That's why I built GlycoShelter. It's hosted live on the DigitalOcean app platform, and the interface couples a clinical control panel on the left with a map on the right. Let me just get rid of my face. And using raw coordinates from SF Open Data, it auto-ranks nearby shelters and food centers based on the combined goodness. This index balances physical proximity with clinical grade dietary safety. And our list responds instantly to different sorting parameters. So when I click on something like the Golden Gate Pantry, you can see the telemetry logs there. The card expands to display today's analyzed menu. That's updated daily. So that shows offerings, risk factors, and actionable suggestions. Of course, that's for the devs, but for our unhoused individuals here, they have information, they could get directions, and once they get there, they can log a meal, which updates their profile to a 1 p.m., same over here, and then re-ranks the remaining locations based on metabolic load. So again, when a location is selected, let's do a bad one here, for example, you can see the multi-stage pipeline executing, and it pulls live data SF permits, piping the unstructured daily menu PDF to a DigitalOcean serverless function, and running zero-shot extraction via a hosted Llama 3 70 billion model to return the standardized JSON safely payload. Thank you so much, and I think by logging these meals, GlycoShelter provides immediate metabolic navigation on the street while generating anonymized data to lobby the city to fund CGM prescriptions for our most vulnerable populations. Thank you very much, and let's not forget our privilege.